Here's a new spot that I haven't been before. Dawson's Landing in Rivers Inlet. Janine's word in front of the general store, which is going to open in a few minutes. And then there's a bunch of float houses down past the general store. And there's a whole nother collection of float houses down on the other side of the public wharf. It's quite a place. Here's Janine word at Dawson's Landing in Rivers Inlet. A general store and a collection of floating homes. The store's been here since the 20s. First snow on the mountains at the head of Rivers Inlet. It is time to be heading home.